Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working. In the beginning, enable auto rotate screen in quick settings or settings of display. Next, tilt phone to test Gyroscope in different apps. If it still don't work, restart phone to reset all sensors. You can also try booting the phone into safe mode to check app interference, and in the end, the last resort is updating software to fix sensor. You can update software via system settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.